Welcome back everyone. It turns out that the Samsung Galaxy S21s have actually gotten another leak, which is pretty funny because these phones are literally coming out tomorrow. So this is exactly what we could be expecting from these type of devices. Now, there was a leak I think today or yesterday of what's exactly going to be inside of the boxes, and it does turn out that pretty much these boxes are not going to have any charger at all. So it's not going to have, the charging brick or the charging cable. Now, is that a big deal? In my opinion, it kind of is, but we're kind of used to it, so it's okay. Apple already did it. Now these phones have it, so there's nothing we can really do about it. It's totally okay. And I guess it's environmentally friendly, whatever they're going to say about it. Now these phones, we're still going to be getting 3 of them. So we're going to be getting the Galaxy S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. And what's super crazy, which is something that I don't know how I feel about it. There are some pretty big changes that are going on with each of these models. So first of all, the back, pretty much from all the renders that we've seen and everything, it's going to be looking like this. Now, I did not make any of these renders, so shout out to whoever made them. But this is pretty much what it's going to be looking like. I don't even know if these are renders or these are actual Samsung images. But the back camera, I think, is one of the biggest changes from what we've seen. I think obviously it's still going to be able to do 8K and all that good stuff. But the quality, I think, is going to be better than the S20, obviously. But I honestly don't think it's going to be that big of a difference. The S21 had such a good that I'll be surprised how much better this specific camera lens is. But the front on 2 models is going to be changed up a little bit. So we're going to be going from a 1440p panel down to a 1080p panel on the S21 and the S21 Plus. Apparently, at least the S21 is going to be getting a 1080p panel. And again, it's just one of those dumb things that Samsung has to do. It's like they give us something really great, then they take it away. And I feel like I said, the S20 had the best panel this year. The S21 probably may not be able to do this well this year, to be honest, depending on how well, Apple does this year. And OnePlus panels have actually been getting better and better every year too, but I don't know what they're going to do about this one. The S21 Ultra is supposed to be keeping that same 1440p panel, 120Hz on all the panels on these phones, USB Type-C ports as well, which is great. Plastic backs on the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus. That's another pretty big change. Again, I don't think it's a deal breaker, but it is something that's very annoying. When we went from the glass backs down to these ones, it's just kind of like one of those super annoying things. But I will tell you, there is some kind of a pro with going to a plastic back. I mean, if you drop it, you don't necessarily have to, worry about the back on this thing. So I think that's another pretty important thing too. That's like such a minor thing, but maybe it'll make some people feel better. Now, the last thing is something that I'm just so sad about if it's true. Apparently, Samsung is going to be removing the microSD card slot on some of these devices. Now, I don't know which one it is. From what we've heard, it's apparently the 2 bottom tier models. So the S20 and the S21 Plus, or the S21 and the S21 Plus. The S21 Ultra is set to still maintain that microSD card slot. And this just doesn't make any sense to me because Samsung's, actually sells microSD cards. So I feel like they would lose money if they took away the microSD card slot. So it doesn't really make too much sense to me. Again, there's nothing I can do about it physically, but it is something that's very annoying, and I hope Samsung doesn't do that. The battery sizes apparently are around the same ballpark as well. We're still maintaining reverse wireless charging, all that good stuff. So nothing really has changed in the feature set. It just kind of seems like these specific models have kind of gotten watered down in a way. Like the S lineup isn't really what it used to be. Like these used to be the flagship type of devices, and now we're kind of going through exactly what the Note lineup did. And it makes me wonder, is Samsung going to move away from their flagship devices? The Note lineup, they already said or people have estimated that they're going to remove that. Are they going to remove the S lineup as well? And then are they going to remove the Fold lineup and the Flip lineup? Like, what's going to happen? Who knows? It's just so weird. It seems like other phone manufacturers are releasing new models, but with Samsung, they're taking away models. So I don't know what they're doing. I guess we'll see what happens, but these are pretty much some last minute leaks within the specific, hemisphere of, Samsung Galaxy S21. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.